Okay, let's check out this solar light. So this is a 600-watt solar light from SUNZWO. So it's intended, or it's labeled as a street light. So you can certainly use it in that manner. It's quite bright with 600 watts, 6500K, and it's waterproof and everything, intended to be outside. I'm going to actually use it on a lower setting to uplight an American flag, because I've had very bad luck with all the other little inexpensive solar lights out there. I decided to go ahead and try out one that is a serious one, so to speak. So what we have here is everything that comes up in the box. And of course, it's all wrapped nicely in styrofoam because some of this is fragile. It's rather heavy. So thought we'd go ahead and look at that, and then I'll do a separate video where I kind of put it together and show you how it mounts. Okay, so obviously we've got a lot of mounting hardware too, right? So you can choose to use this if you want to. These anchors, you may or may not. It depends on, I guess, the application that you're looking for with it. Got some different mounting things. You can see right here, this is obviously so that this can articulate and that you can adjust the angle of the solar panel. And then we've got this piece here, of course, that is going to connect to your light. So we got a couple different options when it comes to mounting it and adjusting the solar panel. So you can see it's a good size solar panel too. All right, so let's go ahead and look at the light itself. So it's got some weight to it. You can see it's serious light, all metal, right? These little bumps you see on here for heat dissipation, because of course it's going to kick off a good amount of light. And then you can see here, this is obviously where the pole is going to go in, and this is your connector that is going to connect to your solar panel. So when you mount it on here, you're going to slide the wire through. It's going to come out here. That's where you're going to make that connection point. Comes with a remote. This takes 2 AAA batteries, so just have a couple AAA batteries on hand. Everything is labeled pretty clearly on here. On, off, 12-hour, 3-hour, all the different delays you can do, the different brightness settings as well. So we'll go ahead and connect it. I think we should be able to have it light up. It was before I disconnected it. All right, so we can see there. So this light is your battery indicator light, and it does talk about that. Let's turn it on. So there you go, that's on. See if we can adjust the brightness. All right. So you can see it definitely needs to continue to charge, but I haven't had the chance to really. There we go. So there it kicked in. So now we can see how bright it is. And then you can adjust the brightness between up and down. Basically, you got 2 settings there. And then you've got your different delays. So I'm going to go ahead and turn that off. All right, so that gives you a quick kind of rundown of everything that comes with this. The solar panel, like I said, is quite large. But to give you a little idea, I guess there I can get it all in the frame. You can see the back here. You can see that connection. This is where there's a threaded hole to mount, the threaded hole on that side as well. So this is probably a little overkill for lighting the flag, but I was getting sick of all the inexpensive ones that didn't work very well. So I'll get this kind of put together, and then I'll show you what that looks like too.